Welcome, in this video we are going to learn DHCP auxiliary module in Metasploit. The action plan here is to start a fake DHCP server and employ a fake DNS server. This module provides a DHCP server. Let's open up terminal, type msf console. Let's load the DHCP module into the msf console. Type use auxiliary server DHCP, type info. Here you can see that information of the DHCP module. We will be setting the option for DNS server, netmask and SRV host, which are to be fake DNS server, its network mask and the IP address of this fake DHCP server. Set DNS server as our hackingtube.com, IP address as 107.180.54.186. Set netmask as 255.255.0.0. Let's execute it. Here you can see that DHCP server is started. DHCP works by leasing IP addresses and IP information to network clients for a period of time. With the fake DHCP server running, we use Metasploit again to now configure our fake DNS server. So that's it in this video on Metasploit providing fake DHCP server. Thank you for watching this video.